Hey guys, welcome back. This is how to delete a board on Trello. So guys, I will show you multiple options. So for the first one is you could delete the whole workspace by going into your Trello homepage and going for the settings over here. And if we scroll down, we should be able to see here delete this workspace. But now if you only want to delete your board, not the whole workspace, just simply select your board on the left side over here, and after that you should be able to see here these three dots over here on the top left corner of the screen. And now you should be able to have here settings, and uh, uh, now from here if we go down we should be able to see here close board. So pretty much this will delete the board, or you could just simply do the same thing by clicking on the three dots over here on the left side, and you will have the same options. And from here, as you can see, you can find and reopen the close boards at the bottom of your boards page. So just simply go ahead and select close, and now when you go to the home page and we go for view all closed board over here at the down, should be able to have the delete option over here, and click on delete, and there you go. See ya.